Ever wondered what the differences are between serverless and cloud computing? These two terms often pop up in technical discussions and can seem quite entangled. Cloud computing refers to the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet. Instead of owning and maintaining your own physical servers and data centers, you can access technology services, such as computing power and storage, from a cloud services provider. On the other hand, serverless computing is a cloud computing model in which the cloud provider dynamically manages the allocation and provisioning of servers. It abstracts the underlying infrastructure and allows developers to focus on writing and deploying code. So, how do these two compare, and when would you use each? Well, it's not as complex as it seems. Imagine yourself as a developer with an application to build. You are faced with two options: managing the servers yourself, which includes ensuring their continuous function, dealing with bugs, and handling any hardware or software issues. Or you can let a cloud provider shoulder this burden while you solely focus on writing code. This introduces you to the concept of serverless computing, a groundbreaking paradigm that's all about providing you the flexibility to concentrate on what developers do best: developing. Serverless computing essentially takes away the responsibility and complexity of server management and hands it off to a cloud provider. This is particularly beneficial for applications with fluctuating workloads that need to flexibly scale up or down based on usage. It's like having a dedicated team working day and night to manage your servers, leaving you with the luxury of focusing on your core tasks. A key advantage of serverless computing is its ability to scale automatically. It adapts swiftly to the changing needs of your application and only charges you for the resources you consume, making it a cost-effective solution. This model drastically reduces the operational load of developers and allows them to focus more on coding and less on managing infrastructure. It also facilitates rapid development and deployment as the server management tasks are abstracted away. You no longer have to spend hours or even days troubleshooting server issues. Your application can be up and running in record time, which is a significant competitive advantage in today's fast-paced digital landscape. However, serverless is not without its drawbacks. It can potentially lock you into a specific provider, limiting your future options. There may also be delays during startup due to the cold start problem. It offers limited control and customization options, meaning that developers have to work within the constraints set by provider. Debugging can be challenging due to limited visibility into the underlying infrastructure. Ideal use cases for serverless computing include event-driven workloads triggered by webhooks or sensor data, real-time data processing, building microservices architecture, and automating routine tasks. This technology brings value to a wide range of applications, from IoT devices to large-scale data analysis. As for their ideal use cases, serverless computing shines with event-driven workloads triggered by webhooks or sensor data, real-time data processing, building microservices architecture, and automating routine tasks. Consider cloud computing. This is a comprehensive idea, offering a diverse range of services including infrastructure, platforms, and software. It's akin to a buffet of services and deployment alternatives, providing businesses the ability to solutions that are precisely suited to their distinct needs. Cloud computing, in essence, is about offering high customization options and control over infrastructure and security. Imagine having the reins of your business firmly within your grasp. With cloud computing, you can achieve just that. You're not just purchasing a service, you're acquiring a world of possibilities that can be tailored to your specific requirements. Moving further, cloud computing facilitates hybrid and multi-cloud. This provides businesses with the flexibility to choose from a wide array of service providers, thus ensuring the best services at the most efficient costs. What's more, the rich ecosystem of tools and integrations pushes the boundaries of what's possible, enabling businesses to leverage cutting-edge technology to gain a competitive advantage. However, like all good things, cloud computing also has its share of challenges. It may necessitate substantial upfront costs for the initial setup. Managing cloud resources can be a complex task, and improper management can result in overspending. Furthermore, it introduces new security concerns that businesses need to be prepared for. Beyond these challenges, it's important to remember that cloud computing, its wider range of applications, is not limited to web hosting. It's capable of powering enterprise applications in large organizations, managing big data analytics, processing sensor data from IoT devices, accelerating content delivery and streaming, providing scalable storage solutions. Ultimately, cloud computing is a transformative technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate. In conclusion, the decision between adopting a serverless architecture and utilizing mainstream cloud computing is entirely dependent on your specific requirements. Startups, especially those just embarking on their technological journey with relatively simple applications, could potentially reap significant benefits from the simplicity and ease of use offered by serverless computing. This model, essentially an evolution of cloud computing, allows developers to run applications directly from the cloud without the need to manage any servers. On the other hand, businesses with more intricate operations which have high availability requirements might find themselves needing a blend of both serverless and traditional cloud computing. Cloud computing in its own right offers robust services, scalable resources, and vast computing power that can effectively cater to heavy-duty operations which cannot solely rely on serverless models. It's crucial to delve deep into the intricacies of each approach, understanding the advantages and potential limitations, and aligning them with your unique business goals. This comprehensive evaluation will enable you to make an informed and judicious decision that is tailor-made to suit your needs. That way, you'll make an informed decision that best suits your needs.